Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with HackerRank for skills showcased on LinkedIn. Quick tutorial step. To register with HackerRank for skills showcased on LinkedIn, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hackerrank.com and press enter. Once the HackerRank homepage loads, locate the sign up button, usually found in the upper right. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will see options to register using your email, Google account, or LinkedIn account. For this tutorial, select the option to sign up with LinkedIn. A pop-up window will appear asking for your LinkedIn credentials. Enter your LinkedIn login information and click Allow to grant HackerRank access to your profile. After successful authentication, you will be redirected back to HackerRank. Now it's time to complete your HackerRank profile. Fill in the required fields, including your name and experience level. Next, choose your preferred programming languages and skill areas relevant to your interests. Once all fields are complete, click on the Save or Continue button. You may also want to explore the Skills section, which allows you to take assessments. Taking assessments will validate your skills and show them on your LinkedIn profile. To start an assessment, navigate to the Practice or Skills section on the menu. Select the specific skill or programming language you want to demonstrate. Complete the coding challenges as instructed. After passing the challenges, return to your profile settings on HackerRank. Look for an option to integrate your HackerRank achievements with your LinkedIn profile. Follow the prompts to link your LinkedIn account and showcase your skills. Your HackerRank skills will now be visible on your LinkedIn profile for potential employers to see. Finally, make sure to revisit HackerRank periodically for new assessments and skill updates. That's it. You're now registered with HackerRank, ready to showcase your skills on LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.